All right, guys, this is my review of the Lopeie Rechargeable Beard Trimmer for Men. It's an all-in-one cordless men's beard grooming kit, and it's waterproof washable, so the steel isn't going to get rusty, which is sweet because it allows you to just keep it cleaner, not have to worry about getting it wet because you do use it in the bathroom. So this is an unboxing. We're just going to check it out. So first of all, I just want to say the box is super high quality. This is a very sturdy box, which typically, in my experience, lets you know that it's probably going to be pretty nice. First look, just turned on right away. It's very sturdy in your hand. It's like a plastic and then a rubber on the sides, but it feels very sturdy. Like it's not a cheap feeling device. But the number I'm seeing there on the product page is already indicating this is a pretty good value. It's got a digital display, which is pretty sweet. I think it's 99% charged. It shows you your usage time. That's kind of cool. All right, let's see what all the attachments are. So already I can see this is like, what do they say, 16? It says 16 in 1. So it can do 16 different things. Or you have 16 different attachments or something. It charges in an hour and a half. Let's look, there's something cool I think I could show you with regard to that. Here it is. Okay, this is the cool thing about this device. So I've had a lot of different beard trimmers. This one actually charges via USB. See, dude, that's what we need, dude. That's where we're at. You know, because you can obviously get a USB adapter and plug it into the outlet, but I've just got it plugged into my computer here, and it's charging. So I think that's kind of cool. You've got this stand for all your different attachments. You've got, let's see. Yeah, so what you have is you have 12 millimeter, 9 millimeter, 6, 3, and then you've got a guard, which probably is like a 1 on there. Let's see. Okay, we're getting into the cool things here. Now, what is this exactly? It's funny, I don't even know what this is. Let's see. Oh, okay, funny. This is an underarm trimmer. So if you just want to trim your armpits, I've never seen that before. That's a cool accessory. Okay, now I'm seeing some stuff. This is, you can actually put a different head on here. How does that release, I wonder? Does it screw? Let's see, how do you detach it? Oh, it comes off really easy. So the head actually comes off, and there's a different, smaller trimmer head that you can put on there. That's cool. So it's really easy to do that too. It just snaps on. Now, we have like a guard attachment where you'd basically be able to do a 1. That's what that would be right there. So this is super useful. Then this can detach again, and you can put, I think this is like a line tool for your hair, actually. Like if you want to line it. I'm not going to bother putting that on, but you can see what that is. This tool is pretty sweet. And get it out. This it basically just makes it like a electric shaver almost. So you can attach that on, and then that would basically trim your, shave your face like an electric shaver. Pretty close. So you get a pretty close shave. Just finish it off putting it on there. All right, so yeah. Dude, these things go on super easy. That's crazy, dude. Okay. And honestly, you could use that for your like arms and stuff too if you wanted to. Is there anything else? And then you have the nose hair. The nose and ear hair trimmer. And I think as a guy, becomes more and more useful over time. So I think this is super versatile. Basically, it all can sit. Oh. So basically, all this stuff can kind of sit on the. Oh yeah, okay. All this stuff can just sit on the stand here. Wait, no, that's not right. Boom, 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 boom. See, we do it live here, guys. That's just what I like to do. So you guys can experience it as I'm experiencing it. Here's what I think about it. If you're looking for an all-in-one trimmer that kind of does like everything pretty good, I think this is a pretty good tool to go with. And all this stuff sits right on here. It's got a nice little stand for everything. You have a little grooming brush, and you've got the cord to be able to charge it. That's my unboxing. It's even got a brush to clean it out. But like I said, it's waterproof, so you can stick this right under the water and clean everything. I think this seems like a pretty sturdy, well-made, all-in-one men's grooming tool that even does your armpit hair.